Hello my friends, welcome back to the Imagination and PlayStation channel. Thank you for joining us as we unbox our new Little People Big Helpers Home by Fisher-Price. This product is manufactured by Mattel. It has a varying retail price between $42.99 and $73.34 US, depending on the vendor. And as of this recording, can be found available at Amazon and Target for $42.99. This product comes with 2 character figures, 1 dog figure, and 3 play accessories. It also comes with the 2 AA batteries necessary to operate the electronics. If you are looking for a delightful gift for a 1 to 5-year-old preschool age child, this would be a fantastic choice, especially if the child enjoys playing with interactive and engaging playsets. Now let's open her up. And now we get to play around with this. So over here on the side, that's where the batteries would go. After looking for the power switch, it turns out it is underneath the ceiling in the kitchen. You can find it right here. All you have to do is switch it on. Once you have it on, sit it back up. And that's the kitchen area. Has a little refrigerator, and if you press this button, right here,
it's time to help get ready for breakfast.
And this button up top, pulling back a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. You check up here.
What do you want to play, Tessa? It's your turn to pick. Oh, let's play with my blocks. Yeah. That's a great idea.
But yeah, as you can see, there's a lot to do here. Over here, if you press the button, simulates a toilet. So if you take your little guy friend, goes upstairs, sits on the toilet, goes to the potty.
After I flush, then I wash my hands with soap and water.
And there's that. You got, again, this button. Bed. It comes with 2 chairs. One over here. Doggy bed in the middle of the living room floor. A little doggy here. Dog can eat or drink. So there's plenty to do with this little toy, especially for that 1-2 year old age range. This will be a good Christmas gift, good birthday gift. A lot to do. They come with different little people. So this, I don't know the name of these 2 characters, but they're different. I would say races and genders that are, so it's a very diverse cast of little people. So you can go with whatever you feel comfortable with. But yeah, this is the Fisher-Price Little People Big Helper Home. There's a lot to do. You can get a lot of entertainment out of this for your 1 to I would say 5-year-old. You can, other kids will enjoy playing with the dollhouse, but it's really targeted to that 1 to 5-year-old range. But it does come with everything. Again, so Chris and Teresa, I think, is the name of this group.
Get clean, clean.
And that's for the bathtub.
Yeah, just pee. The sun and so it's getting clean. Squeaky clean.
All right. It sounds like Chris is clean. All right, and there you go. There you have it. And with that, this concludes our unboxing video. Together you witnessed me open up and explore and demonstrate the Little People Big Helpers Home by Fisher-Price. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to see more content and or support our channel, please like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never have to miss out on any of our content again. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave them in the comment section.